I've ordered and received from Dirt Tracks. The rear rack goes on there and the two side racks. And I'm hoping these side racks are close enough to the size of the racks that I have for my Shad bags, and I can move them from that bike to this bike, because Shad doesn't make side racks for a DR650. Probably one of the most popular bikes ever on the market, been around longer than anything else I know of. You would think they would make racks for it if you're trying to sell them, but they do not. So let's put them on. They come with very extensive instructions. That's it. Keep them here so I can follow along. Okay, install racks. That fits. Oh. Okay, jeez, comes complete with dirt everywhere. Yeah, glad I'm doing this. This bolt underneath here is loose. Good to catch it ahead of time, I guess. Alrighty. This looks like one of them jobs that's going to take 5 or 6 hands. That goes on the inside. Well, let's find the right bolts. Well, no lock washers, so I think we better get some Loctite. Man, when them bolts break loose and that pops like that, you got screws in your finger, that stings. Okay, so we gotta get that one in there. This ought to be interesting. $13. Gotta be different. Okay, easy peasy. I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10 for difficulty, this thing's somewhere in the 0.5 area. Pretty dang easy. I forgot to bring down my box with me to see if it was mount on here. I'll have to run back up the house and get it. This is where the additional hands would come in handy. Okay, bolt's apparently too long, so I'm going to put this little spacer on there to space it out a little bit. The ideal thing would be run to the hardware store, buy a little bit shorter bolt. That did it. And we gotta remember to tighten this bolt up underneath there. Uh-oh. I took the camera cord with it. There we go. Pull my camera down off of there, I'll be pissed. Give it a dab of Loctite, we'll put her back in. Okay, done deal. Okay, shad box. Let's see if it'll fit. It will not. So close. Well, shit. Oh well, it's worth a shot.